All right. I want to write the names of the honorable men that want to impeach the governor of Rivers State for record purpose. For record purpose. Oh yeah. Let's go, moderator. Let's.
Silvanus Enyi. I represent the good people of Pomoma State constituency. Mr. Speaker, I have in my hand a notice of impeachment brought pursuant to Section 188 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Acts of gross misconduct in the performance of the functions of the office of the governor by His Excellency Sasimila Efubara, Governor of Rivers State. Mr. Speaker, the said notice of impeachment was signed by 24 members of this hallowed chamber. They are 1. Honorable Major Jack. 2. Honorable Adokie Toye Smart. 3. Honorable Nyeche Prince. Honorable Inemi Alabo George. Honorable Granville Tekina. Honorable Pwende Lolo Isaiah. Honorable Igwe Obe Ofoji. Honorable Wami Solomon. Honorable Office Abang. Honorable John Dominic Derema. Honorable Silvanus Wankwo. Honorable Peter Abe. Honorable Chimezie Wankwo. Honorable Gerard Ofoji. Honorable Mbo Bernard. Honorable Arnold O. David. Honorable Justina Emeji. Honorable Amadi Emilia. Bere Nwako, Honorable. Honorable Wabuchi Franklin Uchenna. Honorable Ezekwem Nkenjeka. Right Honorable Mao Dumle. Honorable Azurum Opara. Honorable Onwuka Ignatius. The right Honorable Speaker, with your leave, may I lay.
As the class prefect, I have the names of the honorable men intact for record purpose. In case of anything will happen, I will tell them, I will read it.